Dear students, today we will discuss some questions on group theory. First question: Is R naught into, where R naught is set of real number excluding 0, is a group? Then we have to show first closeness, then associativity, then inverse, then every element of R naught is invertible. If all four properties are satisfied, then you can say it forms a group. If a operation multiplication is commutative, then you can say that R naught is an abelian group. Similarly, another question: show set of all vectors in a plane is not a group under vector product as a composition. Similarly, you have to prove all properties to be group and abelian group. If they are satisfied, then you can claim that the set with operation will form a group or abelian group. Similarly, a Q plus, the Q is standard set of rational numbers, but a Q plus means set of positive rational numbers. A star is an operation, where this operation defined as A star B is equal to AB by 2 is a group. Same, you can prove four properties. If all properties are satisfied, then you can say it forms a group. If operation is also commutative, then you can say abelian group. Similarly, another fourth question: if every element of a group is its own inverse, कहने का मतलब है किसी ग्रुप के अंदर यदि हर एलिमेंट का इन्वर्स वो खुद ही है तो वह ग्रुप हमेशा एबिलियन ग्रुप होगा. तो इसका प्रूफ बड़ा सिंपल है कि जी इज ए ग्रुप ले लेते हैं और इसके दो एलिमेंट लेते हैं ए बी. इफ ए इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू ए, बी इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू बी, इक्वल टू बी, it is given. Then we have to show the abelian. Its elements of G are commutes. For all AB belong to G, AB, A into B equal to A inverse, B inverse, because it is given. A inverse, B inverse, using a reversal law, it can be written B A inverse. Since A and B are elements of G, then AB and BA are elements of G. So BA is also an element of G. So BA inverse is equal to BA, it by the given concept. So AB is equal to BA, hence G is abelian. So it is a very important question. Similarly, check the group where set is set of रेशनल नंबर्स एक्सक्लूडिंग -1 के अलावा, वेर स्टार इज ऑपरेशन डिफाइंड एज ए स्टार बी इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी प्लस ए बी. टू चेक द ऑल प्रॉपर्टीज, इफ प्रॉपर्टीज आर सेटिस्फाइड देन यू कैन क्लेम इट इज अ ग्रुप, अदरवाइज नॉट. शो दैट सेट ऑफ ऑल nth रूट ऑफ यूनिटी forms a finite abelian group under the ordinary multiplication. It is a very important questions. First we find the its elements. Nth roots of unity मतलब 1. तो by the Moivre theorems 1 can be written cos of 2 pi r, cos of 2 pi plus I 2 pi. Nth root cos of 2 pi r plus I 2 pi r power 1 by n. Using Derived theorem, the power comes in multiple of angle. So 2 pi r upon n plus iota sine of 2 pi r upon n, where r is varies from 0, 1, 2, 3 till n minus 1, 1 less from n. Putting the value of r in nth roots, r equal to 0, we find 1. R is equal to 1, we find e power cos of 2 pi n plus I sine of 2 pi by n. It can be written e power 2 pi I upon n. Similarly, r2, rn minus 1 and these are. So these are the elements of the group G. They are just n members. Now G is an structure where G is a set, or multiplication is an ordinary multiplication. Now check the properties of the group. If you find that all properties are true, holds, then you can claim that it is a group. Again, one more question. Prove that a group G is abelian if every element of G is of order 2 except identity. किसी ग्रुप के अंदर हर एलिमेंट का ऑर्डर 2 है तो वह ग्रुप हमेशा एबिलियन होगा. इसमें सपोज ए बी एन एलिमेंट ऑफ ग्रुप जी, ऑर्डर ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 2. इट मीन्स ए डॉट ए इज इक्वल टू identity. It means A equal to A inverse. So it is just a question in which we have shown that every element is its own inverse. Then G is abelian. It is same question, but it is written another way. Thanks.